Hi guys!
Welcome to another episode in this series. In the previous video, we hiked to one of the viewing spots on the Ciucaru Mare peak and got to see the Danube boilers from a high viewing spot. And in today's episode, we get to see this beautiful area from another angle by taking a speedboat tour on the Danube River. So join us in this adventure as we continue to explore together this hidden nature gem in Eastern Europe. We hope you enjoyed this video.
And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And we are going to do a cruise now here on the Danube. People are fishing here and Elijah is trying to catch their fish. He's holding the fish for the first time in his life. Elijah, you like to play with the fishes? Catch fish, yes.
Back in the water. Very good.
Fish, Elijah, fish. Elijah is playing with the fish. We're gonna go see these caves, then we will be going to see the Decebalus here. There's another place here. Unfortunately, we'll not be going there. This is where they build the bridge. We're in the boat now. A boat tour at the Danube boilers is a must if you're ever in this area of Romania. You can choose to do a group boat tour or a private boat tour depending on your preference, time and budget. There are multiple local establishments offering these services here. Usually, all boat tours include stopovers at some local caves, the Decebalus statue, and other historical sites around this stunning area of the Danube River called the Boilers. We are having our first stop here. It's a cave. There is an entry fee, and I don't have cash with me, so I'll have to skip this one for now. I'll go back to the boat now. We are about to enter another cave. This one has an exit on the other side of the mountain. Wow, portăm prinsesa Han.
It is at the boilers that the Danube River narrows. This stunning section of around 9 kilometers in length offers some of the most breathtaking views you will ever get to feast and witness in Eastern Europe. It is a natural area that is full of beauty and truly worth visiting.
Passing between two countries, Romania on the left side and Serbia on the right side. on the way to the statue of Decebalus. It's a carved statue in the rock here. We're gonna see it on our right side, my right side. Check out these rocks. This area reminds me of El Nido in the Philippines. The Danube River passes here between Romania and Serbia and between the Carpathian and the Balkan mountain ranges, and it offers beautiful sights on both the left and the right side of the river. We are now approaching the Decebalus statue. It's here there. We are approaching now the Decebalus statue. It's one of the stopovers in this tour. The statue represents the leader of the Dacian. His name was Decebalus. This statue was paid for by a single individual, very kind and rich guy, who employed a team of people to build it. This area is full on history. This is the area where the Romans crossed the Danube and conquered the lands. There's another point here where the Romans actually built a bridge that connected what today is called Serbia and what today is called Romania. And there's a place here where they actually built that bridge 2,000 years ago. They needed that bridge to conquer the land and cross over their troops. Must have been a sight to see for the locals who've never seen such an engineering piece of architecture taking place before their eyes. Yeah, amazing place here. Wow.
The name Boilers or the Danube Gorge comes from the fact that the river narrows here at around 230 meters with a depth of around maximum 75 meters, and so the water flows here much quicker, creating vortices that can give the sensation of water boiling or bubbling. Today, the impression of boiling water in the boilers is perceived with difficulty. It is due to the rise in water levels and flooding of the Dubova area as a consequence of two hydroelectric power plants built further down the stream.
We are glad we got the chance to do a boat tour at this location on the Danube River, as the views from the boat are indeed worth it. This boat ride experience is truly unique and offers new vantage points of this beautiful area. Just finished the boat tour. It's about 40 minutes. It was a nice and fast ride. Beautiful scenery left and right. Did you like the boat tour? So we finished the boat tour now. We are heading back to the car. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to give us a like, comment and share. And if you love watching our videos, kindly click that subscribe and bell icon below. Thanks and see you on the next one.